Welcome to Pinoy TNS Journey USA. Today we'll be cooking. I'll show you how to make a flan or leche flan. So here are the ingredients. We have the sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and we also have fresh milk, or you can use evaporated milk. And I'm gonna use 12 eggs. It depends on the size of the eggs, but for me I use 12 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We also have the condensed milk, 1 can. So first thing we have to do, for me, I'll have to make a caramel. So we're gonna use those Llanera, or we call it a molder. I bought this Llanera at Amazon, so they're large. First you have to heat the Llanera, the molder, over the stove top. We don't have the gas stove, so I use the electric. You can do it that way. So you have to wait until it's caramelized. So we're done with the caramel, so we'll have to let it cool for the meantime, and then we have to do the eggs. So we'll just have to separate the yolk and the white, because we only have to use the yolk. There's a lot of ways how you separate this, but for me I just use a perforated spoon, and you can do other things like using the bottle. I really have a hard time at first, but it's all good. By the way, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment down below for any suggestions for my next video. I just had a little mistake doing this because, as you will notice at the very end, I use a lot of eggs because I got the small eggs, so eventually I ended up, getting more the medium or the large eggs. So it's like I use like more than 12 pieces. Then, so I have to beat the egg yolks using wire whisk or any whisk, and we're just gonna have to keep doing this process until it gets smoother, the texture. And after that, we're gonna have to add all the ingredients needed for this leche flan. So we're gonna have to add the condensed milk to 1 can. Then we'll have the fresh milk, the vanilla extract. That's all we need, and then we have to mix it well. So once it's ready, it's now time for us to transfer the mixture to the molder. Then we'll have to cover this with foil because we're going to put this on the steamer. Now it's time for us to cook leche flan. All we have to do is we have to have a boiling water in the steamer, and we'll have to cook this for like 30 to 40 minutes. So after 30 to 40 minutes, we have to remove the leche flan and let it cool down. So remove the foil and let it cool. That's our finished product. Now it's time to serve using the plate. We'll have to transfer it, of course, to the plate by doing this process. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below for any suggestions. So this is our finished product, leche flan. So yummy, right? Thank you guys for coming, and thank you guys for watching. I'll hope to see you again on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.